Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And today, excuse me, got a frog in my throat. This is that Temu camping hanging set thing. I don't know what it's called. It's like a camping. It's for camping, and you can hang things off of it. It's got loops, like right here. But I'm using it for drying my clothes instead of, well, I had to do 2 loads, so this time it was a lot of things that couldn't be hung up on hangers. So I had them draped across the top one. It's not as tight as it would be if you were camping, but I'm just using my closet shelving. So it's looped over on this side, draped across, looped through a little bit, and then draped across again. So, but it does work for hanging items as well, like that. Instead of using the loops, I just used it like that, and I got, like you can see, quite a few on there. So it's working out really well for me. I know it will change when I get it into the new apartment, but for right now, this is much better than having clothes draped over everything. So yeah, I thought I'd just show that what I'm using that camping thing for in a video. So that's what I'm doing. And now it's been overnight, so the damp shirts and sweatpants are dry, so I'm just going to take them down. But I figured since I was going to take it down and I hadn't showed it yet, that's what I was going to do. So I just kind of tied all the extra line up because I had to pull it so tight. But both ends have a clip to go around a tree or other items for when you're camping. So when I don't need this anymore, I'm going to put this in my bug out or my prepping stuff. Probably not my bug out thing, but bag, but it's going to go into my preps. So if I need to use it again, I have it. So there you go. That's what I am doing with that here at this apartment. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.